Hi, Helena.
What's up, Caitlin?
So today, let's discuss home equity.
Great subject.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it. And the reason why, because I think lots of people don't realize how much equity they have in their houses right now. I have to pause right here. On average, in US, every homeowner, on average, has $300,000 in equity in their houses. It's a huge amount of money saved.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
and the way you can use your equity, if you wonder about that, you can sell your house if you're thinking about selling it, and use your equity in two different ways. You can buy a smaller home for cash, no interest rates, no headache, your home will be paid off. And the second idea is like if you're looking for a bigger house, you can put down a bigger amount of money, which will give you better interest rate, right, Katalin?
Right.
Yes. And
A much lower monthly payment.
right, lower monthly payment, and again, that's very beneficial for you. So right now, and you might be surprised again, in the United States, almost 40% of homes are paid off completely, which means the homeowner doesn't owe any money to the bank. Another 28.7% have equity of 50% or higher. So means they paid off at least half of the loans to the bank. And only 32.6% of homeowners have equity less than 50%. What it tells you, homeowners sitting on huge amount of equity, huge amount of possibilities. So it's time to move on and do something with it.
Yeah, and I also did want to mention that you can always take a cash out refinance on your home. So you can take out equity from your home, and maybe you want to buy another property. Now you can build more wealth, gain more properties. So that is also one way to use your home equity. So you don't necessarily need to even sell your home. If you want to stay, and you can still take cash out if that's what you want to do.
Great addition. So guys, if you have any questions regarding the mortgage,
regarding mortgages, you can always call me at 702-682-6460.
and if you decided to sell your home and buy another property, call me at 702-592-7886. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.